How to fix iPhone camera blinking issue on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry. This video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on your settings and scroll down until you find the option called camera. Once you tap on it, it will now show you different kinds of options. Now you can always fix or modify your desired option. Once you do it, you can go back to your settings and scroll down and tap on General. Once you tap on General, scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you tap on it, again tap on Reset. Now you can easily reset all of your settings by tapping on it and enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, it will automatically reset all of your settings. You can also go and tap on Shutdown to shut it down and restart your phone. Once you do it, it will automatically reset and restart your phone, which will help you to fix your camera iPhone blinking issue on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.